Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is GSM based energy meter reading with load control using Arduino. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it gives to 5 volts power supply, and it connected to the energy meter. So 230 input coming to adapter after 5 volts power supply. 5 volts is giving to Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C GPRS modem. Here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. So the commands are hash capital S dot bulbs on, bulbs off. So for one light, lights on, lights off for second device, devices on, devices are two on, two off. So 16 cross to LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. Energy meter connected to the 230 input. That pulses are coming to 5th pin, and 6th pin relay coil bulb 1, relay coil, second relay coil, 7th pin GPIO 7th pin, and connected to the bulb 2. And we are sending the SMS in the form of like lights on hash capital 8 S dot lights on star hash capital S dot bulbs on star. Okay, so devices off, two on at a time off. Okay, we will get the return acknowledgement also. So here we are using 230 input, so it goes to energy meter, and that output should come to uh, adapter power source. 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, and that 9 volt output AC goes to bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C. You can press it, it will come in press and release type. Press it, it will come outside. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. I will send how to insert SIM card into the GSM SIM 800C video. I will share you. Okay, slowly press it, it will go inside GSM SIM 800C. So here we are using Arduino Uno R3 board, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 connected to the 16 cross to LCD display. 6 and 7 pin goes to relay coil, and 5 volts power supply. Okay, then output goes to 5th pin. So now I am going to give the power supply. GSM based energy meter reading with load control, GSM testing, connected, echo, finding network, SIM card already inserted, test message. Okay, all messages in the SIM card, it is deleting all messages. Now it is taking the SMS. Okay, yeah, deleted all messages, delete success. Open the app means open the SMS app and press the button, give input. Okay, okay, open bulb hash capital S, copy, paste, hash capital S dot bulbs on star, sent. Now I am sending to this number. Here inserted mobile number, I am sending the SMS to this SIM card. Bulb is on, success. Okay, bulb is on, bulb 1 on, success. Now it is calculating the pulses into the back side of the Arduino board. Okay, so after 10 minutes or 1 minute, so we will get the some this much of balance, please pay the amount. Status bulb 1 on. So now I am going to bulb 2 on, copy, paste, hash capital S dot lights on. This is bulb on, this is lights on. So I given the command name like that, hash capital S lights on. Okay, so now it will receive the SMS here. Okay, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 on, success. We will get the return acknowledgement from that kit. Okay, so we feed it, yeah, status bulb 2 on, success. So we can on single also. So go to single and also off also, hash capital S bulbs bulbs space OF then star. Okay, so we will get some acknowledgement from the kit. So this much of balance you need to pay. Like that we will get one SMS alert. After that we will all off one bulb. Okay, power supply board once again GSM SIM 800C, and this is a 9 volts adapter power source, relay 1, relay 2, SPDT relay, relay 1, relay 2, 16 cross 2 LCD display, Arduino Uno R3 board, energy meter, bulb 1, bulb 2. Okay, we will get one SMS alert. So we are utilizing the power consumption. This meter is sending the input to Arduino. Then 10 units consumed. Please pay the bill of 20 rupees. Now I am sending one bulb off. This bulb should be off. Okay, bulb 1 off success. So we will get one return acknowledgement also. Status bulb 1 off success. Okay, we will wait some time. Now we are utilizing another bulb. Power utilization is going on, so it will come some another message. Okay, it will take time. It is continuous pulses come to Arduino board, then Arduino board will send the data. Okay, lights on, bulb on, lights off. We will two at a time on, two at a time off. That command name is hash capital S dot devices on, devices off. Okay, so we are utilizing single bulb. It is taking low pulses. Okay, and I got another message, 30 units consumed, please play the bill. Okay, so now I'm going to off the bulb. Okay, hash capital S dot okay, lights off. Oh, small capital S, bulb 1 off. Hash capital S dot lights off. Light is off. Second bulb is off success. Status second bulb of success. We will on at a time. Two bulbs on, two bulbs at a time off. Copy, paste, on, send. Hash capital S dot devices on. Two on. Okay. Yeah, two bulbs on success. Okay, then status all units on success. So now I'm going to off the bulbs at a time. Okay, SMS sent, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 off, all units of success on the LCD also. Status all units of success. Thank you.